piece of information, and I've got one lined up for a South African swimmer a little bit later on, but it's an evening session type one, that one.
Oh, good.
Had to save it.
I look forward to that.
Oh, you'll love it.
I like a good stat.
It's more of a fact than a stat.
Good. Freestyle heat. DUPREE from the USA said he wants this one badly. I was speaking to him the other day. He said he's in good shape for this one. It'll be presto by swimmer one line up from him, TAIGANIDIS from Greece. He won the gold medal in the backstroke a couple of days ago, but it is DUPREE. He's going to come in here. Can he spot the finish? Just about 25.14 for DUPREE. It's a good swim for him. ROCHA MATERA from Brazil in second, and TAIGANIDIS in third. DUPREE looking in good shape there. He was disappointed to be beaten in the 100 backstroke by TAIGANIDIS. Wants revenge tonight.
Little raised fist from DUPREE. Heavy breathing as standard. As we start to think about, Paul, we'll get the final results for that in a moment, but we start to think about that S13 final in a couple of moments. And had a couple of people today where we've already mentioned it. You look at them and think, how on earth do I beat that? You know, Diaz, Jess Long, those stick out straight away. But another one here in this S13 classification coming up in a moment. Iha Boki. What do you do?
Well,
and I'm sure that's a question a lot of coaches have got on their lips. What do we do to stop Iha Boki? He just racks up medals.
he does, and he just looks so effortless when he swims. I mean, we saw him in that 100 butterfly, and you think, well, he's taking it easy, isn't he? But he went, what was it, 53, 54 for the 100 fly? And I think, my goodness, he just makes it look so effortless when he is actually swimming that.